This is what you get in London West in 800s. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the entrance. Once you enter, you have a closet here on your right, then leading up to the powder room. This is the powder window. This is the entrance. This is the stairs going upstairs. Entrance to the basement. You have a closet and separate entrance to the basement through here. This is the garage door. This is the garage door. This is the entrance to the basement. Let me show you the main floor area first. This is your dining and the patio door. Good amount of space for dining. Your kitchen and living area. Okay. Quartz countertop, central island, and the pantry size is quite decent. This is your pantry. Okay, this is the view from here. Dining, living and kitchen. They got the brand new vinyl floors. Let's check out the upstairs. You have another living upstairs. Nice staircase. So this is the another living here. High ceiling. Nice light fixtures. Okay. Okay, now you have 3-bedroom upstairs. First bedroom. Closet here. Let's go to the second bedroom. The laundry is here. This is the second bedroom. Okay, you have linen here, common washroom, and this is the master. With huge walk-in closet. Five-piece ensuite. Standing shower and tub. Now let's go to the basement. Let me show you the master from here. Let's head to the basement. Before entering the basement, let me show you the mudroom here. Separate entrance to the basement. Closet for your shoes and jackets. And the garage. Double car garage, high ceiling. basement now. So basement flooring is also brand new vinyl. So once you come here down, you have some unfinished space, which you can put a separate laundry here. You get the connections down there. Utility area here. You have additional storage space behind. Okay, now the actual basement here. Living area. Kitchen there, washroom. Decent size of living area. Big windows. Window number 1, window number 2, window number 3. These are the 2 bedrooms. Let me show you from the other angle. Okay. Basement kitchen needs the appliances, dishwasher, stove and fridge. Fridge can be set up here. This is the second bedroom. Okay, so here was the tour of homes in 800s. Let me know what you think.